You were lied to. You were told to get a degree, to play it safe, and to climb the ladder, and you'd be free. But here you are, still broke, still stuck, and still searching. Welcome to the Hustlers Campus. This isn't a course. It's your way out of Brokeyville. It's your way to escape the Matrix. Here, we don't teach theory. We show you how money is actually made outside of the Matrix. You don't need skills. You don't need money. You just need to move. Every single action has already been predetermined for you. All you need to do is execute on the daily checklist, the course material, and make sure to leverage our community for any questions you have. Because like in the gym, success isn't complicated. You show up, you follow the exercises, and you put in the reps. And by showing up daily, the results are inevitable. Most people overthink and they hesitate. They keep watching life pass them by from the same exact spot, but not you. You're tired of watching good people stay stuck and nothing changing for you. You landed here in the Hustlers Campus because you are ready to crack the code. And as your professor, I am here right next to you, side by side, in the trenches, day after day. Students often tell me that things finally just started working in their favor once they stepped in the Hustlers Campus. It's not magic. It's all part of the plan. And now it's your turn. You'll start with your first $50, just like one of our other guys. 4 months later, he looked back and he realized he'd made over $32,000, all from that first simple step. This is the Hustlers Campus. No hype, no fluff, just a system that works and a path that's already laid out for you. My name is Professor Fluid Madden. Let's get to work. I'll see you in the next module.